Hey guys, this is Austin with AKWMS, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly set up Google Search Console. So to start, you're going to head over to search.google.com/search-console. That's going to get you over to here, and you're going to go ahead and click Start Now. So when you get over to this area, you have two options that you can do. This is the option that I recommend that you start with. You're going to click enter here, and it's going to pop up a step right here where you're going to add this into your DNS records. Okay? Now, the DNS record step is going to vary depending on where your DNS is managed. So if you can't remember exactly where your DNS is, there's a couple different ways that you could do that. You can type your URL into security trails and see where those records are and find your name servers. But odds are, if you bought your domain through Godaddy or you bought your domain through Google Domains, that they are going to be managed within there. However, if when your website was made, you hired a developer who asked you to go into your GoDaddy account and change your name servers, that means that your developer more than likely will manage the DNS. Now, in a lot of those situations, you'll still have control of those DNS records via cPanel, and that's the first example that I'm going to show you on how to change. Actually get into your cPanel, you're just going to scroll around until you find DNS Zone Editor. Once you click on DNS Zone Editor, find the domain that you are wanting to add this to, and then from there, you're just going to add the record, okay? Now, going back to the instructions that are over here, it's telling you to copy this, and you're going to place it as a text record, okay? They also have a little bit more info on that here. What you're going to do is you're going to paste that into there, and you're going to add what it's associated with, click add record, and then you're just going to give it a few minutes, head back over to here, and you're going to click verify. Now, as you can see, this didn't pop up. It does take some time. I'd say at the most maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Until you see that actually change. And once that is changed, you will be able to easily copy everything into those reports. These are the steps if you have your domain registered in Google Domains. So first, you just head over to domains.google.com. On this left-hand side, you are going to find the DNS section. And then from here, you're going to add a record. So I would go down to here where it says Custom Resource Records. I would then do the drop down to text, and I would again go back to Google. You're going to copy this right here, go back to the domains, and you're going to paste it right there. Once you're done, you just click add, and everything should be set. So these are going to be the steps for doing the same within GoDaddy. GoDaddy's always a little bit more trouble to navigate, but when you get into it, once you're logged in, I would just go to manage/DNS, and that's going to get you over here after you type in the domain into that little search bar, and you're going to get this area right here that says records. From there, you're just going to click add. You're going to select the type of records you want to add, just like it says right in here, text record. Let's go ahead and copy this while we're over there. And you're going to put that into here, and you're just going to go ahead and type the domain right there and select save. And that's it. And you just give it a few minutes, and it should all show up exactly like you like it. Let's go ahead and see. There we go. Everything is set, and now we have access to the property.